If you're looking for garden hand tools loppers, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Top 10 Garden Hand Tools Loppers. Number 1, Most Popular, by Fiskars. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Tabor Tools. Number 3. For more details about these garden hand tools loppers, just click this circle. Number 4. By Utopia Home. Number 5. By Tabor Tools. Find these garden hand tools loppers at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. By Spear & Jackson. Number 7, by ML Tools. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Corona. Number 9, by Song Mics. Discover more garden hand tools loppers ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Diesma.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.